So what's up? Today I'm gonna teach you how to create social share with RTMKit. So first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin. RTMKit. Here's RTMKit. You need to install and activate it. And then later on, after you create a page and you edit with Elementor, you can go to this and create grid. And here, okay, make two. In this one, and add element, and after that, in the search widget, you can search for social. Here's the social icon from Elementor. You can check it first. And in Elementor, you can get this one. You can edit icon. You can put URL, link, and color. And you can choose rounded, square, and circle. And style, you can change the size and padding, spacing as well, and row gap, and icon hover as well. And for the animation, and here's social share from RTMKit. You can drag and drop. Here you have style, both icon, only icon, and only text. Or you can choose only icon. Or both. Here's, you can choose outline just for the skin, frame, flat or hover, like this one, and pointer. Here you can check it, and here you also can change the icon and the label. Here's the option that you can get for social share, and also for the style, you can edit for spacing, alignment and direction, and typography, icon size. Yeah, make sure that you install it RTMKit in your plugin so you can get this one.